This is Scrubby, an adoptable cat from the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire. Scrubby and his sister Namie are currently living at PetSmart in Nashua on Route 101A, Amherst Street. So this is Scrubby, and here's sister Namie getting into some kind of trouble, huh? What's in there?
Looking for treats.
Mm-hmm. There were treats in there, weren't there? But this one is supposed to be about Scrubby. Hello, boy. You just got to explore every nook and cranny, huh? Let me see that gorgeous face of yours. Where are you going? You're a curious cat. Scrubby is going to be adopted out with his sister Namie. Oh my goodness. Bless you. What did you get into there? A little bit of dust? Do we need to clean back there? The sister and brother are a bonded pair, been together their whole lives, and they'd like to keep it that way. And the folks at the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire say that that's possible. You're a good boy, aren't you? These cats are only about 2 years old, which is a great age. They got some kitten left in them, but not so much so that they're going to destroy your house. So the way little kittens can, right? Were you like that before? No. Who, me? Innocent me? You're a cute boy. Awful cute boy. What'd you see up there? All right, I'll leave you alone. Bye.